Hello everyone, Contramestre Gringo here with another capoeira tutorial. Let's get straight into it. Nice, now that you've seen the two variations, I'm gonna break down in 3 parts, each one of them, and then we combine everything at the end. The first part, you need to be able to do the meio de frente, and we're gonna change the leg. Ideally, you wanna be using one hand after the other, instead of placing both hands down. I show you what I mean. Here, the opposite hand of the leg of the kick goes first. I keep this hand blocking my face. Halfway through, I change, and as I step, I put it here. That hand is giving me support to go straight into the esquiva recuada. Once more. Okay, the second part, going from the esquiva recuada all the way to the queda de rins. I'm gonna be using as a meio de compasso, as a kick instead of a movement. So I'm gonna keep my leg lower than the usual, and my kick goes first before I get to the queda de rins. So from here, leg first, and then queda de rins. Once I get here and I have this gap, I'm gonna bring the bottom leg all the way past until I can turn my hip. From here, I only need to lift my hip enough to go over my leg. But once I do that, I want to get as close as I can to my leg, keeping my feet, my weight on my toes. From here, I turn and I decide each one of the movements that we'll do. If I'm going to do the macaquinho, I'm already on the right position. Opposite leg from the arm that's going to go in. I just go past. If I'm going to do the other move, I just need to get this leg over. So I place my hand, turn my hip, so now I got a clear path to lift my leg. But my leg goes first. So I start to bring my leg and then pass my leg over. Of course, I'm doing slow so you can see it, but when you're actually doing the movement, you do it straight away. So from here is one. Again, I'm using this as a kick instead of a movement. If I wanted to use the movement, I go more over, more sort of a macaco. Now let's combine everything. So now we practice all the 3 parts separate, and then I'll try to combine them. So from the meio de frente, here. Once I change, I'm using this hand as support, and straight away, I'm gonna be spinning the leg from the back all the way until here. Bring this leg past, land, and then push. Remember to carry your weights here. Decide which move you're gonna do it. If it's the macaquinho, here. If it's the other movement, you can just, as you transition from this side, you can pass, use that as a momentum. I hope that helped. I have got the macaquinho, the first movement, separate on a different tutorial. All you gotta do, join me on the community flow, and you have access for that completely for free, step by step. And any question as well, if you're struggling with any other movement, feel free to contact me there, and I'll be more than happy to help. The link is on the description, and I see you on the next one.